this is your problem, this is your problem solver. What's up, gang? Look at this. I'm at a car. In my car, at a car. All right. This is the car, okay? This is the car. I went to this car last night. It was overheating. It stopped overheating once I got to it. Everything was perfectly fine. The thermostat, everything was working. I couldn't figure out. It had no engine light, no codes, or nothing. And I just, I couldn't really figure out what the issue was, right? So they told me it was overheating again. I'm back today, and the problem is this fan. I'm going to put this screwdriver on there, okay? So I got the screwdriver on there, and I don't know if I can feel the vibrations coming from it, but the fan is bad. It's like slowing down. It's not really spinning the way it's supposed to be spinning. And let's see if you can hear it through the video. Okay, so all I'm doing, again, I'm just holding this screwdriver right on the fan, okay, right where it spins at. I'm just going to hold the end of the bottom of the microphone or the camera on top of the screwdriver. Vibration. The problem was the bearings inside this fan. See, now you can hear it. See, when I tap on it, now it just kicked up and started spinning faster once I tapped on it. See, now it's spinning, look at that. And I tapped on it and it stopped making the sound. That's the bad part. The fan is the bad part. And see, look at this. See, there's no engine lights or nothing. Right now, the temperature is perfectly fine. But when they would turn the AC on, that's when it'll start to overheat. Riding around after a while, you turn the AC on, couldn't figure out what it was. So now I'm here, I just figured it out now. So where the gloves at? Gotta get the gloves out. Actually, I got some. These ones are halfway used, these are good. That works. Just like that. Can't be going through gloves that fast. They are expensive. Just like that. You can reuse some old ones. They don't have no holes in them yet. Let's do this. We're back. Okay. Already pop that hood. Boom. All right. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Give me that. Yo. That's a 10. So hold that. Hold that. Okay. Let's see. Just like that. Boom. Alright. Put those up there. Okay. Oh, drop my tool. There's a lot of space in this. Look at that. Okay, there's the next one. Let me see, maybe I can hit this one. I can hit this one. Start coming out. That goes up there. Alright. So now, wait, there you go. Take this. Pull that out of there. Move that to the side. Move it to the side. All right. Come on. Come here. Come here, little baby. See, I always need two hands. Recording and working on cars is very challenging, all right? Because you need two hands, not one. Two hands. All right, I'll be back. Hold on. room. Lean this forward. See, like a little baby. It come right out like a little baby. Like a little baby. Oh, hold on. Let me see. There you go. See? If you just, everything's got an easy button. If you move that out the way, it'll come right out. So, let me see one more time. This is your problem. This is your problem solver. Got a solid Eagles. Look at that. He even got the Eagles steering wheel cover. My man. Let's go, huh? E-A-G. I'm done. Now, let's see what we got. Fast. I think we on time now. I think we on time. Going for a test drive. Look at this. Eagles seat belts. Just went on a test drive. Look at this. Just went on a test drive. 10 minutes on the expressway, 10 minutes city streets. And it's not overheating. I had the everything on. I had all the stuff on. I had it all the way on, right? And it didn't overheat. So to me, that's good. Turn that off. I think you're good to go. Good to go, good brother. Good to go. Look at this. Even got the Eagles football plate. Look at this. Wait, one more time. Eagles. Let's go. Look at that.